Hello children, welcome to today's class which deals with volume of an right circular cone. Many of you might have attended the birthday parties. There you might have seen the caps with an conical shapes. See, here is one of the conical shape which has an circular base. Cone, your volume is nothing but what you can fill inside this cone, that matters here. So we will take base area into height in order to find the volume of the right circular cone. Henceforth, volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here is your example question where they have given only the height and the slant height, but the radius is not given. In order to find the volume we need the radius, but it is not given, hence we will find the radius first and then volume of the cone, children. So in order to find the radius, I know the formula L square is equal to R square plus H square. R I will keep in the LHS. H square, when it goes to the other side it becomes negative. R I am going to take, hence I will take the square root. Now L is been given as 28 square. H is been given as 21 square. L is nothing but slant height, children. 28 square is 784 minus 441 gives you 343. And 343 is nothing but a multiple of 7 and 49. So 7 will be inside the square root. 49 square I know it as 7. So 7 comes out. Your final answer for radius is 7 root 7 centimeter. Now again you need to find out the volume of the cone, children. Volume of the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So I will substitute the values. 1 by 3 as it is, pi value is 22 by 7, r now I got as 7 root 7, so I will substitute here 2 times and h as it is 21, 7 ones are gets cancelled, 3 ones are 3 sevens are 21, remaining all numbers will get multiplied here, 7 sevens are 49 into 22 will get multiplied, here 2 times root 7 is there, so root 7 whole square and square root got cancelled, remaining numbers after multiplication I will get 7546 centimeter cube. Here in your example 16, there is a girl Monica who has a piece of canvas. The canvas is 551 meters square overall in the area, but in order to make the conical tent, she loses 1 meter square. So remaining how much is there, means, children? She has a 550 meter square of an canvas. With that she has to make a conical tent of radius 7 meters. Height is not given, so first we will find the height and then solve the sum. So here is the solution for your question, children. Here total canvas was 551, 1 meter was lost, so remaining is 550 meters square. Radius of the tent is 7 meters and tent has only CSA, we know that. As the tent does not cover the bottom portion, we will take CSA as 550 meters square. CSA formula is pi RL. Okay children, now substitute the values. Pi is 22 by 7, R is 7, 7 gets cancelled. L as it is I have written. I need to find out slant height first. So 550 by 22, here 7 got cancelled. So further I will get L as 25. Now h is equal to L square minus R square root, that I know. Now I will substitute 25 square minus 7 square is equal to 625 minus 49. Answer is 576. Whose square is 576? 24 square is 576. So square and square root gets cancelled. H value I will get as 24 meters. Volume of the conical tent formula I know, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now I will substitute all the values here. What I got? 1 by 3 as it is, 22 by 7 as it is, 7 is the radius, okay, they have given in the question, into 24, what I got height now, that I will substitute, 7 gets cancelled, 3 1s are 3 8s are 24, 22 into 7 into 8 becomes 1232 meter cube. Coming to your exercise 13.7, there are 2 questions of the same kind in your first main. I will explain one sum, children, so that the second sum I will send you the clipping, so you can just click down and copy it, or else you can solve and write. Similarly, second question also there are 2 same kind of sums. So I will solve one sum, another sum you can solve by yourself. If you have doubt, I will send the clipping. You can click it down and write down. Okay, your first main, they have given R and H. Volume formula is 1 by 3 pi R square H. I will substitute directly. R as 6 into 6 and 7. 7 gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Remaining 22, 6, 2. When it is multiplied, I will get 264 centimeter cube. 154 centimeter cube is the answer for your second question, children. Your second main is also of same kind, but here what is the difference means they have given L instead of H. Hence I should find H first using the formula L square minus R square is equal to 25 square minus 7 square. 25 square is 625 minus 49. I will get 576. Whose square is 576 means 24 square. Square and square root gets cancelled. H I got as 24. Now capacity of the conical vessel, I know the formula. Capacity is nothing but volume only, children. Don't get confused here. 1 by 3 pi R square H. Substitute the values now. 22 by 7. 7 into 7, 24. Cancel 7, 7. 3 1s are, 3 8s are 24. Remaining numbers when you multiply, you will get 1232 meter cube. This is your first answer for your second main. Second answer is 314.3 centimeter cube. If you have doubt, you can just take a snap and copy down. In your third question, children, they have given the height and volume. You have to find the radius using pi value as 3.14. Height is equal to 15 centimeter. Volume formula I am going to apply 1 by 3 pi R square H. Volume they have given as 1570 centimeter cube. Now pi they have asked to take it as 3.14. Remaining values I will transfer to the other side keeping R square in the LHS. Okay, can you see here, children? Now 3 1s are, 3 5s are got cancelled. 5 1s are, 5 3 1 4s are. 100 is in the numerator and 3.14 ones are. 314 hundreds are, because there are two decimal numbers after the point. Okay, hence R square is 100, R equal to 10 centimeters. Radius of the base is 10 centimeters. As the volume of the fourth question is being given in pi only, it is very easy to find the radius, and then further finding the radius you have to find the diameter for this question. They have given the height and volume, children, here. Height of the right circular cone I have written as 9 centimeters. Volume is 48 by centimeter cube. But for volume formula is 1 by 3 pi R square H. R square I will keep in the LHS. Pi value I am not going to substitute because both the pi's are there. It will get cancelled when I take it to the other side. 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 9 here gets cancelled. Remaining 3 in the numerator comes to the denominator. Pi gets cancelled. 3 1s are, 3 16s are. Whose square is 16 means 4 square. Hence radius is 4 centimeters. But they have asked to find the diameter. Hence 4 2s are 8 is your diameter of the right circular cone, children. Fifth question is a very direct question, children. They have given diameter 3.5. From here I can find the radius. And then they have given the deep. Deep is nothing but height. Height is 12 meters. And from that you have to find the capacity in kiloliters. First find the volume and then convert it into kiloliters. You will get the answer in meter cube. Convert it into kiloliters. That's all. So from the diameter I am going to find the radius. Radius is 1.75 centimeter. Height is 12 meters given. I am going to substitute in the volume formula. Then 7 1s are, 7 0.25s are, 3 1s are, 3 4s are, 12 gets cancelled. Remaining numbers gets multiplied and it will become 38.5 centimeter cube. Sorry, meter cube. Sorry for bit confusion, children. Here I have written centimeter earlier. So it is not centimeter. Question has been given in meters only. So you can take directly in meters only. So final answer you will get as 38.5 meter cube. I know 1 meter cube equal to 1 kiloliter. As they have asked the answer in kiloliters, I am going to convert that. So the conclusion is 38.5 meter cube is equal to 38.5 kiloliters. Thank you, children. Kindly copy the sums in your notes.